Hi yogis, it's Izzy here, and today I will be guiding you just through a quick 15-minute practice that is perfect for kind of a little yoga infused to your day, or if you've just been sat for a while and you need to move your body, kind of connect to yourself and your breath. This is the perfect class for you. All you'll need is a yoga mat, or you could even use a rug, a carpet, something comfortable to find a seat on. So go ahead, create a little space, and let's flow together. From wherever you are, come to a comfortable seated position. It could be on the knees like me. You could sit on a pillow, a bolster, even on a block, or you could come to a cross-legged space if that feels better. No rush. This is a really stress-free class, so take your time. Find yourself in a comfortable shape, adjusting the sits bones if you're cross-legged, and then start to lengthen through the spine. Just see if you can start to quiet all that chatter, all that noise, all those to-do lists, errands, work emails, everything that's going on, just kind of running through the mind. See if you can start to quiet that and unattach from it. And maybe in order for you to do that, you need to close the eyes. Maybe you just rest the gaze on the ground and start to deepen the breath. Start by drawing the breath in through the nose. Take a big breath in. Feel through that low belly, the rib cage, the collarbone, and then empty. Let it flow through the mouth. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale. Let it all out. Feels good, right? Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Last time. Beautiful. Press the lips together and let's come towards our Ujjayi style breath, where we inhale through the nose and back out through the nose. Start to imagine there's a string attached to the top of the crown. And I'm pulling that string, and as I pull, you lengthen and reach up and out from the hips. Take an inhale breath. On the exhale, float chin down towards the chest. Lengthen through the back of the neck. Next, inhale, roll right ear to right shoulder. Exhale, breathe chin down. Inhale, left ear, left shoulder. Exhale, chin to chest. Let's stay here, just rolling through the neck. Start to work out any tension, release any tightness, stiffness. One more. Chin rolls back down to chest, and then gaze comes back to neutral. Let's start to roll the wrists. Sometimes we forget about the wrists, and they do so much for us every day. So showing them some love today, just rolling, maybe creating fists and rolling. Let's wiggle the fingers. Release that tightness, tension from all those texts, emails. Let's interlace the fingers and roll this way. This always feels so good. You may hear some clicks, some pops. I know I've just heard a few. It's okay, just move slowly, mindfully. And then let's open the chest. Take the palms towards the sky. We'll inhale here. Feel that big expanse across the body. Exhale, rotate, turn palms down and back. Inhale, open palms to sky. Exhale, rotate, roll shoulders forward, palms back. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling some mobility in the shoulder space, in the wrists. And this can be quite a heat builder too. So if you're feeling it and you're like, wow, don't be surprised. This can really generate some heat. Just flossing the joint. One more. And then take that left hand down to the left side of the body, right arm overhead. Inhale, reach up and over. Exhale, bend into the left arm. Press down through that right sits bone. Maybe turn gaze up towards the right arm. And then down towards the left. One more up. And then down. Come back to neutral, lengthen both arms, float to sky. Inhale, changing sides as you exhale. Turn gaze up towards the left arm, and then down towards the mat. Up towards the left arm, down towards the mat. Press up, inhale. Find a twist, exhale, right arm floats across that left knee. Lengthen as you breathe in, grow tall in the seat. Exhale as you twist, glance over the back shoulder. We'll pause here, just staying with the breath, wringing out that spine and pulling the navel in towards the back body. On your next breath in, release, lengthen. Twist, find that second side. Exhale, connect. Grow tall, and then twist. Now let's connect one breath to one movement, walking through the spine. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Grow nice and long. Exhale, press down, twist. Inhale, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. This time we'll inhale. From where you are, take your time, press onto all fours. So we'll slowly uncross the legs or shift the weight, coming onto hands and knees. Take a minute here, slink the hips, spread through the fingers. Ensure that the shoulder is hovering directly over the wrist, hips over the knees. Lengthen, press the crown of the head towards the top of the mat. Simultaneously draw the tail towards the back. Scoot the belly in, find length through the front body as well as the spine. Bend into the elbows, draw the heart forward, lift the tail, lift the gaze. Cow. Exhale, press into the palm, wrap through the back body, coil the belly. Cat. Start to connect with your breath. Inhale to lift. Exhale to wrap and round. Moving really slowly, lots of fluidity to our movement. No rush, just taking our time, really sensing through the spine, through the torso. And coming back to neutral, we'll start to find big barrel rolls. So rolling into the chest and circling the body. There's no real right or wrong way to do it. Just listen intuitively to what the body needs. Maybe you feel lots of stiffness in the shoulders. Maybe it's in the hips if you've been seated for a long time. So just kind of check in, tap into what the body needs and move in a way that really honors that. Maybe flow in the opposite direction. Eyes can be open or closed. And let's come back to neutral. Take an inhale, take the right leg back, toes are tucked. Start to press through the back of that right heel. We'll shift the weight forwards and backwards, just a subtle movement. Breathing into the back of this right leg, still firm through the belly. And then bring that right knee back down. Take the left leg back, press through the back of that left heel. And then start to shift, rocking the body forwards and backwards. And then lowering that left knee underneath left hip. Release the hands, pad them out, spread through the fingers again, tuck the toes, take a deep inhale. Wrap the shoulders, start to exhale, press to down dog, slow and steady, release the heels to the ground. Start to lengthen the spine, take the tail towards the sky. It can be a really generous bend of the knees. If hamstrings are tight, take as much bend as you need. Think about pressing the ribcage on the top of the thighs and lowering, lengthening the spine, heart coming towards the ground. Start to pat the feet, bend one knee, stretch out the opposite leg. Maybe just swishing the hips side to side. Let the head hang heavy here. Maybe sway the head no, nod the head yes. Perhaps open and close the mouth. Release that tension that we always hold on too tightly to in the jaw. Maybe open and close the eyes. Release tension around the eyes. And then 3 more breaths in down dog. Lengthen the heels. Press them down as much as you can. Find that nice stretch. Glance forward between the hands. Pick up the heels, bend the knees, walk the feet towards the top of the mat. Big bend. Fingertips glide along the shins. Take the crown of the head forward, shoulders back and down. Inhale. And then exhale, fold. Press into those feet. Take a big breath in. Circle, sweep the arms. Inhale. Exhale, hands come to the heart space. Take a minute. Press them into sternum. Find that grounding through the feet. Find that length through the body. Find the flow through the breath. Maybe taking a minute to remind yourself that everything is okay. Remind yourself that this practice, this gift is here for us to step into, to utilize, to come back to any time we need. Perhaps affirming this mantra today. I am happy, I am healthy, I am whole. Say that to yourself one more time. I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. Press into the feet, take a deep breath, inhale. Hands to heart, exhale. Thank you for sharing this quick refresh with me. I hope it leaves you ready to kind of float your way into the rest of your day with this sense of ease, of comfort, and inner peace. With love, with light, with gratitude. Namaste. Bye, you guys.